Small Talk with Computer Doctoring, Episode 33, featuring William Nelsen, founder of ShopTime Studios.
Hi everyone, I'm here with Will. Yeah. Talk to me about ShopTime Studios.
ShopTime Studios is I explain it as it's like a gym membership but for power tools. So you can come into the shop and utilize the facilities, the tools, the space, and if you need help or you need to learn new skills or you wanted to make a garden planter or whatever, right? We're there to help you out to achieve what your goals are. So yeah.
And Will has been in the movie industry. He's one of the featured on television.
Yeah.
So yeah, he's a bit shy about that, but he is wonderful.
No, I'm very involved still with the film and television industry and still active in all different kinds of aspects of that. So and trying to keep the contacts and pass that on to my chamber members and that's really it.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.
At Computer Doctoring Inc., we support business owners, creatives, and hands-on entrepreneurs alike, keeping your tech tools running so you can focus on your craft. Whether you have an IT team or need external support, we are here to help you grow securely and efficiently.